Everyone, I think everybody are well. Today I'll solve this math Olympiad question. This question is 9 power x minus 6 power x is equal to 4 to the power x. Find the value of x. So let's start. Here is 9 power x, 6 power x and 4 power x. I divide both sides 4 power x. Now if I simplify it, this time I can say here is 1, this is 1. Now here is 9 power x over 4 power x. According to exponential rules, we know that a to the power n by b to the power n is equal to a by b power is n when power is same. Now I can say here is 9 over 4 bracket power is x minus 6 over 4. Look, here is exponent are common, so bracket power is x is equal to 1. Then 9 like is 3 power 2 over 4 like is 2 to the power 2 bracket power is x minus, when I simplify this by 2, so here is 3, this is 2, this time I can say 3 over 2 bracket power is x is equal to 1. Now here is 3 over 2, so I can say 3 over 2 bracket power is 2. Again I apply these rules, bracket power is x minus 3 over 2 bracket power is x is equal to 1. Then here is 3 over 2 square and power is x. So according to this exponential rules, we know that a to the power n bracket power is m is equal to a to the power n m is equal to a to the power m bracket n. If I apply these rules in this case, so we are find out 3 over 2 bracket power is x bracket power is 2 minus 3 over 2 bracket power is x is equal to 1. I just move on the exponent inside the bracket. Now here is 3 over 2 power is x, here is 3 over 2 power is x are same. So this time I can say let 3 over 2 bracket power is x is substituted by y. So I can say here is y square minus y is equal to 1. Now I move on this one in left side. So when I move on this one in left side, we will find out minus 1. So I can say here is y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Look, it is a quadratic equation. So I can say here is a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 1. Now here is y is equal to, according to quadratic rules, we know that minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now here is y is equal to minus b is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root b square. So b is equal to minus 1 whole square minus 4ac. So a is 1 and c is minus 1 over 2a. A is equal to 1. Now I can say y is equal to 2 times 1 is equal to 2 and here is minus 1, so minus minus plus plus minus square root 1 square minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. This is even number minus this minus is plus 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Now y is equal to 1 plus minus square root 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 over 2. Now we will find out the value of y is equal to 1 plus square root 5 over 2, and other case y is equal to 1 minus square root 5 over 2. Now remember that y is equal to 3 over 2 power x, y is equal to 3 over 2 bracket power is x. Now here is y, I can say this y is equal to 3 over 2 bracket power is x is equal to 1 plus square root 5 over 2, and here y is equal to 3 over 2 bracket power is x is equal to 1 minus square root 5 over 2. Now look, this is less than 0, so this is minus, but it is plus, this is positive. So now I can say positive note is equal to negative, so it is rejected, I can't follow this value. And here is 3 over 2 power is x is equal to 1 plus square root 5 over 2. Now I use both side log, this time I can say here is log 3 over 2 bracket power is x is equal to log 1 plus square root 5 over 2. Now I use both side base 3 over 2, so I can say log 3 over 2, here is 3 over 2 bracket power is x is equal to log 3 over 2, here is 1 plus square root 5 over 2. Now according to logarithm rules, we know that log a to the power x is equal to x log a. If I follow these rules, this time I can say this x move on in front, so we are find out x log 3 over 2, here is 3 over 2 is equal to log 3 over 2 1 plus square root 5 over 2. Now we know that log a base a is equal to 1. If I follow these rules, this time I can say this is 1, so x is equal to log 3 over 2, here is 1 plus square root 5 over 2. Now here is x is equal to, if I follow this logarithm rules, I can say here is log 1 plus square root 5 over 2, and here is log 3 over 2. Now I can say here is x is equal to log 1 plus square root 5 minus log 2 over log 3 minus log 2. According to these rules, we know that log a over v is equal to log a minus log b. Now if I use calculator, this time I can say log 1 plus square root 5 is equal to 0.51 minus log 2 is equal to 0.301 and log 3 is equal to 0.4771 minus log 2 is equal to 0.301. Now 0.51 minus 0.301 is equal to 0.209 over 0.4771 minus 0.301 is equal to 0.1761. Now if I divide, where find out this value is 1.1868. So our final answer is x is equal to 1.1868. This is our final answer. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.